Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be going over how to master AI prompting, and I'm going to make this as fast as possible. So tune in, stay until the rest of the video, and you're going to be prompting like a beast. So there's four main components to an AI prompt. The first one is role, second is context, third is command, and the fourth is format. So we're going to be going through these four concepts in a real world example. So let's say this is your task: to secure a research opportunity with Dr. Martin at Tufts University. So first, let's go into role. So what is role? Role is essentially a role that you assign the AI. So in this example, you are an expert in writing emails. Act as one. Literally that simple, but make sure to follow that format because I find that this is what works best when assigning a role. The next one is the context. So this is essentially the context of why you want to do this thing or how you're going to do it, who you are, things like that. Think the 5 W's: who, where, when, why, etc. And that's what you're going to write in the context section. So I am a high schooler at Acton Boxborough Regional High School who would like to secure a research position with Dr. Martin. If I were to get the position, we would be researching quantum mechanics and how AI can optimize calculations. I have a background in AME level math and certifications in Python and SQL, both of which allow me to assist with data analysis, should help Dr. Martin a lot with this project. So that's the context. Now go on to command. So the command is essentially what you're telling the AI to do. And I see a lot of people get this wrong. Essentially, they're begging the AI for something like, ensure this works, make sure that I get this job, make sure that I get this role. But remember, it's just a chatbot, it's just an AI. It can't really guarantee anything. So if you're adding these things, you're adding these please, you're just going to overcomplicate it. So make the command really simple. Output an email draft that I can send to him. Really simple, one line, that's it. That's all you really need. And now we're going on to format. So format really has two components, which is the criteria and the constraints. And that's exactly what it sounds like. So here's an example. Criteria: make sure the draft fits these criteria, ranked in order of importance, utilizes context efficiently, and keeps a friendly tone. So why you want to rank these is that when an AI is trying to perform multiple things at once, it can often get confused. But if you rank the criteria in order of importance, it'll essentially emphasize one over the other. So make sure that you put the most important thing first, and then you put some secondary information after that to ensure that you're getting good output. And the same thing with the constraints. Make sure the draft fits these constraints, ranked in order of importance, less than 300 words. And this is really important. Make sure you do not assign a direct word count for the AI. So do not say something like exactly 300 words. Because if you do that, it will almost always prioritize the word count over everything else, even if you rank it. So make sure that you're saying an estimate on the word count. You can say less than if it's a max limit, or you can specify a minimum, but almost never specify an exact word count unless you must do so. So unless you have to do something that's exactly 300 words, do not ask the AI to output something that's exactly 300 words. It's just going to mess up the rest of your email. And the last thing you can add is something like this: only output the email draft, do not include any greetings or explanations. So what this is going to do is I'm going to avoid those annoying, sure, here's your email draft, and explanations that follow, because you want to just be able to copy paste this right into your email. So yeah, that's about it. And one more thing before you leave, I've put together a quick AI prompting template, which is gonna be in the description. So what I recommend is that you rewind this video and try to type this out yourself using the template so you can get some hands-on practice, because really with AI prompting, the best thing you can do is practice. So make sure to get a lot of practice in, and I'll be linking the template below. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you next video. AI, and I know how